Welcome to our channel, your go-to destination for holistic health and wellness tips. Today, we're diving into a topic that is close to all of our hearts and arteries. 5 energizing foods to revitalize your life after 50. Imagine a life where you wake up each morning feeling not just awake, but truly energized, ready to tackle the day with enthusiasm and vigor. It's not a fantasy. It's a lifestyle change that begins with what you eat. As we step into our 50s and beyond, it's common to experience a shift in energy levels. The vibrant, boundless energy of our youth may seem like a distant memory, replaced by a feeling of constant fatigue or a lack of motivation. But what if I told you that this is not a natural consequence of aging? What if the solution to this energy drain lies in the foods we put into our bodies? In this video, we'll explore 5 energizing foods that are not just nutritious, but can significantly boost your energy levels, revitalize your body and mind, and help you embrace each day with enthusiasm. Whether you're in your 50s or simply looking to boost your energy, these foods are a must incorporate into your diet. So get ready to discover the secret to unlocking your body's full potential and living a life that is vibrant, energetic, and full of vitality. 1. Leafy greens, spinach, kale, and collard greens. These greens are nutritional powerhouses, packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that combat free radicals, reducing cellular damage and boosting energy. Their high chlorophyll content helps oxygenate the blood, promoting better circulation and increased energy. 2. Whole grains, quinoa, brown rice, and oats. These complex carbohydrates provide a steady release of energy, preventing the spikes and crashes associated with simple sugars. They're rich in fiber, which aids digestion and helps maintain stable blood sugar levels, keeping you energized throughout the day. 3. Lean proteins, chicken breast, turkey, and lentils. Protein is essential for energy production, and these lean sources are low in saturated fat. They provide the amino acids needed for muscle repair and synthesis, supporting overall vitality and preventing age-related muscle loss. 4. Healthy fats, avocado, extra virgin olive oil, and nuts. These fats support heart health and brain function, both of which are crucial for energy levels. Omega-3 fatty acids found in these foods reduce inflammation, improve circulation, and enhance the body's energy efficiency. 5. Citrus fruits, oranges, grapefruits, and lemons. These fruits are loaded with vitamin C, which boosts the immune system and aids in the absorption of iron, a key nutrient for energy. The natural sugars in citrus fruits also provide a quick energy boost when consumed in moderation. As we age, it's not uncommon for energy levels to dip, but that doesn't mean you have to feel drained and fatigued. By incorporating these 5 essential foods into your daily diet, you can support your body's natural energy production, improve your overall health and well-being, and embrace each day with renewed vigor. Remember, you have the power to age actively and vibrantly. Choose the foods that fuel your body and support your energy, and you'll be amazed at what you can accomplish. If you found this video helpful, please don't hesitate to show your support. Your likes and shares help us continue delivering valuable content. Stay tuned for more insightful health and wellness tips coming your way. Thank you for watching. Stay healthy and energized.